Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to prepare basic 3D model in Autodesk Inventor software. You can see I choose this drawing. This is a PDF drawing. I will convert it into 3D model. You can see all the dimensions are mentioned in the mm. The base size is 100 by 50 and thickness is 10 mm. First I will create a base. Select new, metric, standard mm, create. Select 2D sketch, select any plane, select center rectangle, give the dimension. The dimension is 100 by 50. 100. Press tab. It will shift another direction. Okay. Finish. Extrude up to 10 mm thickness. Okay. So base is ready. Already I told you friends, if you want to rotate this view, press shift button and press middle mouse. So now I will create this radius object. Height is 40 mm and hole diameter is 20, r also 20, radius 20 is equal to 40 mm. This diameter is 40. Select this surface, sketch, circle, give the dimension 40, here to here also, this is 20, this is 40. Select the line, okay. Same this side also. Give the tangent constraint, trim extra lines. Here we need to do project geometry. So one more hole is there center of this, so I can do now also. After that also I can do, but I will do now only. Select the circle. The diameter is 20. Finish sketch. Extrude. Select this surface. Reverse up to 50. Or we can select here surface also, up to surface. We can select this surface. Okay. So now you can see there is back side on rib. For that, select this surface, sketch, select line, give the tangent constraint, select the this point, this to this, okay. Trim unwanted lines, select project geometry, take this and this, finish sketch, extrude, reverse up to 10 mm. Okay. Here we can give fillet 2 mm, apply, save the part. Save. So now I will assign the material. Select generic. Here you can see generic. For this all the materials are there, so I will select aluminum now. You can see aluminum 6061. Now we can assign the finish. Which color you want, you can select, friends. But usually the finishing will give based on the material. Okay, I will choose this color. You can compare both drawings, friends. All the operations are finished. Anything is missing, you can comment me. So we can change this color also, inside color. For that only one machining operation, that is the hole. Okay friends, that's it. Thanks for watching this video. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and support me. Thank you.